Okay, so to get building, we need to get everything set up. And this is actually the biggest barrier to entry. So most people want to start vibe coding, but they just don't know where to start. They don't know what AI to use, what software. It's all just a bit of a mystery. So I'm going to break it down. Very, very easy setup guide, less than 10 minutes, and let's get going. So the first thing we need is we need AI, right? So there's lots to choose from. Create an account with Claude right here. You can download, create an account, super easy. There's different tiers that you could do. I recommend Pro once you get started, but why don't you just start out with free? It's going to give you very limited messaging, but you can upgrade afterwards and it can get you started. And then the Max, you won't need that unless you're building serious projects. So yeah, Pro should be fine. So okay, step one, let's get the AI done. Second, we're going to get VS Code. So this is called an IDE. Don't worry about that for now, but essentially we need somewhere to write our code, right? We have the AI. Where's the AI going to write the code? And we're going to use VS Code. So this is it here, and it's basically just like a coding terminal. This is what it looks like. So we can talk to our AI here, and we're going to see code on the right and the left-hand side, but don't worry about that now. I'll show you after. So got that, got the AI, got Claude, got VS Code. Next, we're going to need node.js. This is just some software to download. You don't need to worry too much why you need it. Just download that. Super easy. Again, that's free. VS Code is free as well, of course. And then we're ready to go. Just one more step and then we're done. So what we're going to do is, once you have it downloaded, go into VS Code, okay? And you're going to go to the extensions part on the left-hand side, and you're going to type in Claude Code for VS Code and click install. And that's it. That's it. As simple as that. There's some help documents there, but I'll show you. We go to extensions and we type Claude, and it's this one here, right on the right-hand side here, and you're just going to install that. And what that's going to do is that's going to create this screen here that we can then talk. So we can actually start talking to AI now. So we can say, hello Claude, how are you? And here we go. I'll zoom in a bit. There we go, fantastic. So all set up. Now, that's it. Honestly, you've done the hard part. This is the part that most people just fail at. This is the biggest barrier. So once you've got everything set up, you can start building and having so much fun as a vibe coder. So there's a few things I would like to do afterwards. Number 5, I would set up GitHub. Now this is a place to save your code. Imagine it's like a video game and you need to save your progress. GitHub is that place to do it. You can also have GitHub Desktop, which is just an app on your desktop. And this means that when you make changes, they appear here on the left-hand side, and you can just put something here saying save changes and commit. And that's going to link your GitHub Desktop to your actual GitHub account. Super simple. Don't need it if you're just starting, but highly recommend. So, okay, let's say we've got everything. Well, what do we do now? Well, you create a folder just on your desktop. Anywhere now is fine. You're going to open VS Code. You're going to go File, Open, and then you're going to open that folder that you just created on your desktop. And then you're going to start building. So if it looks like this and it's completely empty, I've got some documents here that I'm going to cover later, but if it's completely empty and you don't know where Claude is and you're looking, you can go View, go Command Palette, and just type Claude Code, open in a new tab, and yeah, there you go. And then you can start talking. And from there, it's pretty simple, to be honest. The first time that you create this, you're going to find that every time AI wants to take an action, you're going to get a pop-up box, and it's going to say yes or no, and that can kind of get a bit of annoying sometimes. So what I recommend is copying this prompt here, dangerous skip permissions. Some other editors, they call it YOLO mode. And essentially, if you go to terminal, new terminal at the top, so terminal, new terminal, if you paste this here and press enter, it means that Claude won't keep asking you for yes or no prompts to come up. It won't ask for permission. So it just makes things a lot easier, because otherwise you're going to be clicking the button every 5 seconds. It's not as scary as it sounds, don't worry, so I would recommend you turn that on. And then that's it. We can get our PRD, which I'm going to cover in the next lesson, and we can start building. So as simple as that. So just as a quick reminder, you need to set up the AI, Claude, nice. You need to get your VS Code, nice. You need to install Node, fine. And then you need to go into VS Code, go to your extensions, add Claude, and set up GitHub afterwards, and then create a folder and start building, and that's it. So you're officially ready to start vibe coding.